Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a pop-up album edit to your photo in Capcut. So here I've already opened Capcut and import a photo to the timeline. So if you want to use the pop-up album, just click on your photo and then go to style, and in here swipe the photo style until you find pop-up album effect. Okay, so this is the pop-up album. Just click on that and wait for it to generate to your photo, and just like that your pop-up album will be created. Just click on the check icon, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on it. Thanks, bye.